Hello, it's David from Pickering Honda, here to show you how to connect your phone to a 2018 Honda CRV. First things first is you want to open your phone and click Settings. Click Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. And then we'll click Settings here. We'll click Phone. Bluetooth device list. And then we'll click Add at the bottom here. The vehicle will start looking for devices. We'll click Continue. Here it is. So we'll click it. All right. It'll give you a pairing code, so be sure that the pairing codes do match up with the car. And then we'll click Pair. Allow for your contacts in sync. Pairing was successful. This right here is Honda Link Assist. In brief, what it will do is it will call 911 in the event of a collision if you're unable to. For that, you can turn it on and off to your desire. For now, we'll click off. And this right here, you do have the option of using Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. What that will do is you can pair your, you plug in your phone using this USB down here. Okay. And you just plug it into your phone, and what that will do is it'll display your phone screen onto the screen here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us. Thank you.